All right, so I do know that you're a mechanical engineer
Hmm.
and that you had worked for medical device startups such as, and some tech giants too, like
Hmm.
HP and GP, as well as you were on the hardware side for Facebook's Oculus virtual reality system. So, can you tell us a little bit about that transition into automating cannabis manufacturing? Like what inspired this machine's innovation?
Yeah, well, it was a couple of things. Kind of on the personal engineering side, I always wanted to learn to code, and I had never been really given the opportunity because I had just, I had really crushed it in hardware engineering that any manager is like, no way, don't waste your time, coding. And so I was very like curious about that side of engineering. So I started, had a little Arduino and I was like making some little like fun projects at home. And it was kind of getting to the point where it's like, all right, I need like a real project. And at the same time, I had just been, bearing witness of this truly emerging market in my state of Washington um, of cannabis. And I've used cannabis like, since I was in high school, and I just saw the real potential for this plant helping a lot of people. How many emerging markets do you get in a lifetime? Like truly, like, you look at like the shoe industry and the car industry, and they're all like full of these giant companies that could just squish you. And so I was like, this is perfect. Let me make a run at it.